Advantages of electric toothbrushing. Many dentists agree that electric toothbrushes are more effective in removing food debris and bacterial plague than manual toothbrushes. The higher efficiency is thanks to sonic vibration from 9,000 up to 40,000 frequencies per minute. The fine bristles of this electric toothbrush vibrate 16,500 frequencies per minute. Bacterial plague develops various chronic inflammation in the oral cavity, such as chronic periodontitis. Chronic oral inflammation develops or worsens various systematic diseases, including diabetes mellitus, dementia, cardiovascular disease, pancreatic cancer, rheumatoid arthritis, osteoporosis, and so on. Thorough toothbrushing is crucial not only to prevent oral diseases, but also to live a systematic disease-free life. Electric toothbrushes are more effective for thorough toothbrushing. You can clean the proximal surfaces of your interior teeth more thoroughly with an electric toothbrush. But for the proximal surfaces of your posterior teeth, electric toothbrushing may not be sufficient, and the interdental brush may be needed additionally. Thorough interdental brushing is important for preventing plaque and calculus accumulation, proximal tooth decay, and interdental gum inflammation. You can brush the gum line more effectively with lower risk of cervical abrasion if you use an electric toothbrush. Back and forth stroking of a manual toothbrush is the main cause of cervical abrasion. Up and down stroking using an electric toothbrush is an easier and more desirable way to prevent cervical abrasion and achieve thorough interdental toothbrushing. Deep grooves in the teeth trap food debris and bacteria very well, developing tooth decay. Unless deep grooves are treated with dental sealant, they need to be brushed thoroughly, preferably with an electric toothbrush. You can brush the posterior surfaces of your last molars more effectively with an electric toothbrush without irritating the mouth corner. As a result, the risk of angular cheilitis is minimized. Crowded or maligned teeth are not easy to be cleaned well with a manual toothbrush. Orthodontic braces or retaining wires make toothbrushing very difficult. You can brush them more conveniently with an electric toothbrush. The posterior part of the dorsal surface of your tongue is the main source of bad breath. With an electric toothbrush, you can brush the place very well with lower risk of triggering vomiting reflex. A handicapped person can clean their teeth more easily with an electric toothbrush. A rectangular rather than a rounded head type is recommended for softer vibration and higher efficiency. For easier adaptation, using a fine bristled toothbrush first before a soft one is recommended. An electric toothbrush helps you clean the retromolar pad area and the posterior part of the oral vestibule without hurting the soft tissues.